Once upon a time, there were 5 monkeys, and they were all in a little enclosure, and there was a pole, and at the top of the pole was some bananas. Now, every time a monkey would try and climb up the pole, a water jet would shoot the monkeys down, and they could not get to the bananas. And this happened for weeks until no one tried to get the bananas off the top of the pole anymore, because it ended in falling down from the pole in utter rejection. So, when a new monkey came in and tried to climb the pole, all the other 5 monkeys tackled that monkey and stopped that monkey from going up and feeling that pain. Now, what happens next is that they take away one of those original 5 monkeys, they bring in new monkeys, and as they take out old monkeys and put in new monkeys, all the new monkeys learn the old monkeys' behavior of tackling anybody who tries to go up that pole to get that banana, until all the old monkeys are gone, and all the new monkeys, none of them actually experienced the water jet shooting them down from the pole. None of the new monkeys truly know why they can't go up that pole. And the water jet was no longer turned on, and at this point, any of the new monkeys could have gotten to the top of the pole. This is not a real experiment. This is an analogy, but it is also based on real experiences. This exact same thing was done with humans in a dentist office, where a beep was sounded and everyone would stand up and then sit back down. And the first few people were planted, and as new patients came in, they learned the social cue to stand up and sit down at the beep until it was only new people and the original planted people were all gone, and everyone had been trained to follow the social norm of there's a beep in a random dentist office, stand up, sit down, with no explanation or outside intervention, just watching others. And what this proves, all right, in what the analogy tries to illustrate, is that just because everyone believes that X leads to Y, because that was true for a certain amount of time, and they might try and tackle you from going up and getting bananas, all right? People have felt pain looking for the thing that you're looking for, trying to obtain the thing that you're looking for. They genuinely are trying to help you. They genuinely believe that it can't be done, not by you, not by them, not by anyone or anyone like them. And they identify with you, and they want to help you. And so they discourage you, and so they tackle you and tell you you can't. Or you're so normalized to the social norm of this is the way people like us do this, that when someone doesn't conform to that, it becomes such an outlier that you yourself feel uncomfortable. All right, whether you are the non-conforming or the person witnessing the non-conforming. All right, and this leads to a range of human behaviors. And what I'm trying to get at here to kind of bring us full circle is you might have people in your life who try to discourage you, who you also may be normalized to certain things within our industry, within here's the way people like us do things like this, that you don't realize that you're just following the traditions of things that no longer matter. And I want to take this moment to challenge you to think differently, to not follow the beep, and to go for the bananas. You'll have a good one.